Tēnā koutou katoa, ko Pīmio Erepeti mai tōku ingoa. Hi, I'm just here with my tuakana here, my big sister Anne-Marie. We're just over here doing the wharekai challenge, and I'm just hoping on a wing and a prayer that she'll get me through it. Nō reira, tēnā koutou katoa, enjoy.
Kia ora, I'm Anne-Marie. This is my baby sister, our baby sister.
Kia ora.
Pēmio. We're Te Umuariki's baby sister, young sister, and of Te Umuariki and Carl May.
Kia ora, I'm Pīmio. As said earlier, this is my sister, and my big brother is Timu and Carl, and then our dad's Te Aroha Mai, and my mum's Portia. Are we ready? Are we ready? What song do you want to sing, sis?
Yeah, I don't know. You know what I know. I've taught you everything. What have I taught you?
Three little birds
Outside
my doorstep, singing sweet songs, a melody's pure and true, singing, this is my message to you, singing, don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright, yeah. Singing, don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Woke up this morning, smile at the rising sun. Three little birds, hey, ooh, outside my doorstep, singing sweet songs, the melody's pure and true, singing, this is my message to you. Hey! Tūturu whiti o whakamaua kia tīna, tīna, haumie, huie, tai ki e.